Welcome back. In this part, we'll continue building the dashboard and focus on occupancy and ADR, with clean comparisons against budget and last year. This is where the dashboard becomes truly useful for quick decisions. If you want the exact template I'm using, visit other-levels.com. Let's continue. Select the occupancy percent, and insert a 2D pie chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove the chart title and legend, and remove fill and outline. Set the main slice color to purple with no border. Set the second slice to purple with about 80% transparency. Resize it to fit. Repeat the same detail boxes for this chart. Change the title to Occupancy. Link the main value to calculation cell L6. Budget to L7, and last year to L8. Format all details using Format Painter. Now insert the next chart. Go to the calculation sheet and select the occupied room nights and budget details. Insert a 2D bar chart and move it to the dashboard. Remove the title, grid lines, and horizontal axis. Remove shape, fill, and outline. Resize it to fit. Select the vertical axis and enable categories in reverse order so occupied room nights appears before budget. Format the axis Arial size 9, dark gray. Set the axis line color to light gray. Select the series and set gap width to about 118%. Set the border color to blue. For the occupied room nights series, set fill to purple and set the border transparency to about 80%. For the budget series, remove fill and keep a blue border. Add data labels at outside end. Format labels Arial size 10, bold, black, aligned middle center. Adjust the chart size so labels are readable. Next section. Copy the occupancy title text box and rename it to Average Daily Rate, ADR. Keep the same formatting, and adjust the font size only if needed. Go to the calculation sheet, select the ADR titles and details, then insert a 2D column chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove the chart title, grid lines, and vertical axis. Remove shape, fill, and outline. Resize and position it. Set series overlap to -93% and gap width to about 50. Format the ADR series like occupied room nights. Purple fill, blue border with about 80% transparency. Format budget and last year like the budget series. No fill, blue border. Copy axis formatting from the previous chart using Format Painter. Enable categories in reverse order. Add outside end data labels and format them like before. Increasing size slightly for clarity. Now copy the title again and rename it to Revenue per Available Room. Go to the calculation sheet, select the title and values, then insert a 2D line chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove the chart title. Keep grid lines, but increase spacing by selecting the vertical axis and setting major units to 20. Then hide the vertical axis. Remove shape fill and outline. Format the line as purple. Width 1.75, and enable smooth line. Use Format Painter to match axis formatting. Adjust chart size so axis text stays on one line. Enable categories in reverse order. Add data labels in the above position, and use Format Painter to match label styling from another chart. Format the grid lines. Change color to blue. Width to 0.5. Transparency to about 80%. And change dash type from solid to dashed. Add a small link label. Format it Arial, smaller size, light gray. Add an arrow from insert right pointing arrow icons. Rotate it to point correctly. Resize it, and set its fill and line color to the same light gray. Set line width to about 0.2. The comparison analysis is complete. Now we start the 3-month focus section. Change the link to raw datasheet cell B42. Copy a text box and type a short explanation for the 3-month forecast. Format it Arial size 8. Purple. Aligned top left. Now create the card background. Insert a rectangle shape. Set fill to white and outline to light blue. Width about 1.25. Insert a smaller rectangle inside it for the chart title. Set fill to light gray. Border light blue, same border width. Add the title Geo. Set font Arial size 10, bold, black. Align both rectangles left middle, keep their heights consistent, then center the title within the header bar. Go to the calculation sheet. Select cells V18 to X19, then insert a 2D column chart. Move it to the dashboard. Remove the axis, title, and grid lines. Fit it inside the card. Set gap width to about 60%. Set the series color to blue and remove borders. Add data labels at inside base. Format labels Arial size 11, bold, white. Aligned middle center. Enable category name and set the separator to new line. Reduce margins if needed so labels fit. Remove chart fill and outline. Adjust the text boxes and chart as shown. Then move to the next chart. Go to the calculation sheet, select cells U4 to X5 for the 3-month occupancy forecast, then insert a 2D line chart. Move it to the dashboard and position it. Remove the title. Format the line. Purple, width 1.5. Smooth line enabled. Add the legend at the top and format it Arial size 9, dark gray. Format grid lines. Purple. Transparency about 80%, width 0.5. Dashed. Add above data labels and use Format Painter to match formatting. Apply the same formatting to both axes using Format Painter. Adjust chart size to fit. Nice progress. Your dashboard is coming together with strong performance tracking and clear visuals. In the final video, I'll combine what we built and complete the rest of the dashboard, including current month tracking and real-time revenue monitoring. Please check the other videos in these playlists, and see you in the next video.